out to inspect your fireplace, it doesn't matter whether it's a masonry fireplace or a prefabricated fireplace. A prefabricated fireplace is a box within a box that sits in your home. It's got a metal flues that are running up inside of a vinyl siding or aluminum siding chimney. And that's what a prefabricated fireplace is. How do we know whether that needs to be replaced? Well, we're going to inspect it on the interior and on the exterior. And if we've got pipes that are separated, if we've got rust that's rusting through the metal, it's got to be replaced. Let me tell you something about gas fireplaces and prefabricated fireplaces. They're just like your washer, your dryer, and any appliance that you have in your home. They have a service life. And if you've got a prefabricated fireplace that's 30 years old and you've been using it, it probably is close to the end of its service life and should be replaced.